Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a language for Nikon Coolpix camera. And to do this, first thing is to click on menu, and also we'll need to make a lens work. Now click on the menu again, and this way we'll enter settings, and we want to go for the wrench icon. Click on OK and scroll down to the language, and it should be right here. Now when you click on the language options, you can pick a different language for your camera. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.